What's going on, guys, and welcome to part 10 where we'll be finishing off our Newel post cladding today. We're just waiting for our adhesive to finish drying on our staircase, so we're going to get back to installing our Newel post cladding and showing you how that works. Now, like we said in the previous video, it was easy for us to cut the oak veneered MDF before we installed the tread to avoid all the unnecessary cuts around the tread. But now the treads are installed, we can proceed. Now the treads are actually installed, so now the pieces of angle moulding will easily slot on top of our treads there, and if we go to the side, it's an easy installation on top of the tread. Now Martin's going to mark up where our angle beading will be cut. Now our angle moulding is made from solid oak pieces and can be found via our website, and we'll attach the link below. As you can see, Martin has made some cuts there and it just fits nicely above and below our tread and to the side of our Newel post there. So let's just take a quick look and a reminder of how our Newel post cladding systems work. You see our original Newel post there, and it's wrapped with 4 pieces of oak veneered MDF. Now you can expect, like we've said in previous videos, that there'll be 2 shorter pieces of oak veneered MDF and the other 2 just overclad those 2 pieces. And then obviously we have 4 pieces of our solid oak angle moulding that wraps round and secures our structure, but also gives you a beautiful solid oak exterior. And then obviously we finish off with our Newel post cap. If we pop that on top, that covers the existing Newel post. Now you can see when this project is fully assembled, it really is a perfect cost-effective solution when cladding your existing staircase. Now we're going to be showing you how you can stick down your angle moulding pieces to the Newel post. And in this video we are using instant nails, but as we've said in previous videos, you can use the adhesive of your choice. That comes down to your preference. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sticking our angle pieces to the Newel post, and Martin is going to be using a nail gun, and this will securely attach our cladding to the post. Now Martin's using this technique because he's a joiner, but you can use clamps to attach the Newel post cladding to the post, and that is another method you can use. Now Martin is just using this smaller nail gun and making these small incisions into the cladding, which he can later on fill with his wood filler. Now, as we've just said, you can use the straps to clamp together your Newel post cladding while the adhesive sets, but if you don't have clamps to hand, you can actually use your regular clamps as well. And we're just going to top things off now by adding our Newel post cap to the top of the post. Now in this video we are using our lumberjack adhesive. Again, it comes down to your preference, but this is our expanding adhesive, and we're going to pop our Newel post cap on top there for a nice finishing touch. Now as our glue has set on our steps cladding, we're going to quickly scrape the remaining adhesive off our treads. Now it's very important to do this very light and very straight, so we're not damaging the tread. We're just going to scrape that bits of glue off. And then this is how our Newel post cladding can look when it's all completed. Look at that. It just gives the appearance of a nice solid brand new post, but it's just cladding your existing Newel post. Same with the steps cladding. And in the next video we're going to be showing you how to stick down your stringers and put the stringer caps on top. If you liked that video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can join us in the next video where we will be installing our stringer caps. My name's Kieran, and I'll get you at the next one.